everybody, welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. We are now going for a ride in our 1969 Chevy Camaro RS Edition convertible, powered top, with the mean black on black hideaway headlights and that mean hockey stripe red on the side of the car makes this car meaner than ever. Of course, everybody loves a convertible 95% of the time, except down here in Florida because it's always so hot. But luckily we have vintage AC to keep us nice and cool. Got our nice gauges RS Edition to make sure that we don't overheat. Shifting in each gear. Our steering is great. Got the aftermarket style wheels. Still got that nice 396 big block. Give you the power. Get the wind blowing in your face. Get your hair rolling up in there. And one of the really nice things about the 69 Camaro is that it has the built-in tack. Unlike the earlier Camaros where it was mostly just a gas gauge and you had to put one in separately. But anyway, it's a very nice, mean Camaro. Now we're going to get her turned around, get her on the lift. Stay tuned to see the underneath.